In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Stubhub discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Stubhub discount codes. Right here go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. And as you can see right here we have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get up to 20% discount off your entire purchase, right here simply tap on this promotion, and as you can see there is a promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code that you can apply in order to get this 20% discount. Also, going back right here we have this website which is called retailminute.com, and we also have some promo codes right here that we can use. So for example, let's say I want to get this one with 15% discount of top events. All I need to do right here is simply tap on this promo code, and as you can see right here, this is the voucher. I can simply tap right here to copy this promo code and apply this one to get this 15% discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.